Looking at all the charge tube options on the Polaris Pro XP Turbo, there's 3 charge tubes or intake tubes on this unit. All of them are very important. This first one we're going to talk about here, this is the tube that actually comes from the turbo to the intercooler. You'll see once you get working on your machine, the stock part is a real rinky-dink plastic cheap part, and just upgrading it to this aluminum tube and the braided silicone hoses and stuff adds a ton of durability. And then the aluminum dissipates the heat much better too, so we're getting rid of a little bit of a temperature and making a much stronger part. This particular part right here, this is the one that feeds the turbo from the airbox. Again, very important, lot stronger part, more durable, braided silicone hoses on there. Got all your blow-off valves and wastegate hoses and map sensor bungs, everything's welded right on here. Nice billet piece. Again, adding strength, improving durability, and we got something on there that dissipates heat a little better. And then this is probably the most important one. This tube here is actually one that feeds the airbox. The stock hose, it's a rubbery plastic piece, but it's real thin, real pliable, real flexible. And when we turn the boost up, and even in some stock situations under a heavy load, we see that hose collapse. And then it does goofy things. The car, they bog, they go into a limp mode, they know something's up because all of a sudden the turbo in the airbox, nothing's getting any air. So it sets all kinds of fail-safes off and stuff and screws you up there. So all the charge tube options on the Polaris Pro RZR XP.